Hey, check this out. You know what Eric asked me when I got on board this morning?
I have no idea. What did he ask you?
He asked me if I felt the earthquake last night.
Earthquake? You gotta be kidding! I didn't feel an earthquake.
I know, that's what I said. He told me they actually woke up last night. You know?
What?
Yeah, it happened at like 4:42 in the morning, so I must be sleeping. But I mean, it's possible that, even if I had been awake, we might not have felt it, because, maybe it wasn't felt, this far north. Um, I mean, I thought it was pulling my leg when I first talked about it.
Well, I guess it's not so far-fetched to consider we'll live in a major fault line here.
Yeah, but actually, I think this earthquake was on a different fault line. Because Eric lives just south of San Jose,
Yeah.
and he said the earthquake was due east of San Jose, so he was obviously a lot closer to the epicenter than we were. So and I'm not even sure it's felt here.
Well, I've experienced quite a few earthquakes in the past several years, but I've been living here now a little over 2 years. I think I've only experienced it 1 year. It was really strange too. I should say, each earthquake has been a completely different experience. But the one I felt here, I was standing outside the restaurant talking to AJ and another friend, and all of a sudden, it just felt like this shift. It's really hard to explain, but made me think of like a cartoon, like how in a cartoon like buildings might just shift to the right and then shift right back.
Yeah, without falling.
Yeah, without falling. And I had no idea what's going on for a few minutes afterward, and then I realized, oh, it must have been an earthquake.
Yeah, what I usually notice is I've been at home here,
Yeah.
and there's been an earthquake. There's this really big train, like a gigantic Mack truck going by, and then suddenly I start to hear the hoodie shaking, and the noise is loud for like a second, then it's gone. So
That's so.
it's really weird. It's almost like the first couple of times I felt it, I wasn't even aware it was an earthquake while it was happening.